Angel investing in the recession has definitely gone through ups and downs. Now, when you take a look at how money has been flowing over the past few years, it's been going up and down, but primarily up. Because once you're out of the great recession in 2009, 2010, now things have slowly gotten better. S&P has slowly gotten better. VC funds have been raising more money and more funds and so on. And this has been accelerating for many years. Now, with the beginning of the pandemic, there was a possibility for that to reset and potentially kick into a recession a bit earlier. However, the additional stimulus checks and the additional funding and the additional support from the government has actually extended that and increased the purchasing power for more individuals, making it more possible to fund more money and more software and more apps and buy more subscriptions, buy more shoes, and generally get more of everything. This led to companies overhiring as well, meaning that larger businesses and just subsidizing large, humongous ecosystems made a lot more sense because you get the same scale just to the higher revenue. Now with the recession, with the reset of that, with the reset of NASDAQ, the general devaluation of unicorn startups, now fewer and fewer funds and fewer businesses are trying to invest more into large conglomerates and multinational companies. Now, the more attractive ones are pre-seed and seed startups in the earlier stages that are still not burning through millions or tens of millions a month, but instead being mostly profitable or just not burning too much, and then having a huge chance to succeed given the right influx of cash. So with that in mind, I would say that the general funding round has decreased and diminished, especially in the higher tiers. There are more entrepreneurs, of course, but there are also more creative business ideas popping up now in the recession, and more opportunities for angels to actually bump into that larger prices. So right now, angels have access to more opportunities, and angels have access to opportunities alongside VCs and larger funds, simply because Series B, C, D are no longer as attractive for most, and pre-seed, seed are both accessible to angels and also something that's still of interest to funds.